There are some big changes in the works for Medicaid in Iowa, but Governor Branstad's plan to privatize the system has sparked some serious concerns among hundreds of people who turned out tonight in Marion. In tonight's 2-Year Health Report, Fox 28 News reporter Matt Hebl here with more on questions some recipients had tonight. There was quite a turnout tonight.
Karen, this impacts an awful lot of people when it comes right down to it. More than 500,000 Iowans rely on Medicaid, and some 30,000 providers offer care. All of them supposed to be ready for Iowa Medicaid to be run by 4 private companies by January. Tonight, some called for Governor Branstad to stop the process now.
Who's from a hospital?
Standing room only as families and caregivers told State Senator Liz Mathis they're concerned the most vulnerable patients will be hurt.
Those who have some catastrophic illnesses and they need some high testing, and the testing won't be approved.
She worries for dads like Bill McVicker, who brought his son. He's concerned about insurance costs and has repeatedly asked whether he can still provide care.
Nobody had any answers for me. Nobody knew anything that was going on. And that was in September.
It's got to be frustrating.
Yeah, it is. It's frustrating, but it looks like it's going to happen.
Governor Branstad's office says it will mean better care and $50 million in savings the first 6 months.
There has to be something done, and Governor Branstad believes that the final savings estimates that passed with bipartisan support, mind you, is prudent in the end.
At Discovery Living, 150 clients include people with autism and cerebral palsy. Bob Hebl says he's all for responsible Medicaid spending, but Iowa is rushing it.
People falling through the cracks, providers not receiving reimbursement, all of which can really lead to some bad outcomes.
Nearly 40 states now have managed care, but critics say most made the transition in 2 years, not less than 1.
This Iowa managed care is just getting shoved down our throats, and if we could just push it back.
A lot of people really worried about this timetable. The panel says if you receive a Medicaid letter in the mail, read it. Do not ignore it. If you have concerns, call your lawmakers and Iowa Medicaid Member Services. Matt Hebl, Fox 28 News.